Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your clip and placing it on the timeline. Make sure playback resolution is set to full when possible. Next, select the clip and open Effects Controls so you can add a mask immediately. Choose the pen or ellipse mask and draw tightly around the face. This is the first critical step. Once done, position the playhead at a clear frame and confirm the mask edges align with facial features. This sets up accurate tracking from the start. Now run the mask path tracker. Play the forward or backward track buttons in Effects Controls and let Premiere analyze motion. You must watch the mask closely, pause, and add manual keyframes where the tracker drifts. Adjust mask feather to blend edges and mask expansion to include or exclude background. These controls prevent popping. If hair or hands occlude the face, add a secondary mask around the occlusion and animate it separately so your primary face mask remains accurate throughout the shot. Finish by applying your intended effect, color with lumetri, selective blur, or a track-based stabilization, to the masked face so edits follow motion. Render a short preview to confirm smooth tracking. If you see drift, go back and add or adjust manual keyframes where needed, then re-render. If the tracker repeatedly fails, pick a different reference frame with clearer contrast, crop to reduce background clutter, or delete and rerun the track. These steps usually recover a stubborn track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.